morning, students. Hi, students. How are you, ma? Are you fine? Are you prepared for the exam? Everyone prepared, isn't it? So, in this lesson, social science, history, lesson number 2 and 3. Okay, history, lesson number 2 and 3, geography, lesson 2. Okay, these 3 lessons only your exam portions. Okay, ma? Everyone prepared, ma? Everyone prepared? So, get a good mark, okay, students? Okay, so today I plan to give revision, okay, ma? Book exercises, question answer already you learned, isn't it? Question answer also you should learn, okay, ma? Okay, so page number 129, ma? History second lesson I am going to give revision, okay? The process of evaluation is gradual, okay? The process of evaluation is gradual. Tanzania is situated in the continent Africa. Tanzania is situated in the continent Africa. Then match the statement with the reason, tick the appropriate answer. Just you study, okay? Then find out the right pair also. Learn. Then fill in the blanks. Dash unearthed the footprints of early humans in Tanzania. Anthropologist, okay? Anthropologist unearthed the footprints of early humans in Tanzania. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a dash life, nomadic life. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a nomadic life. Okay, ma? Then the main occupations of the ancient humans were hunting and gathering. The main occupations of the ancient humans were hunting and gathering. The invention of plows made farming easier. The invention of plows made farming easier. Rock paintings are found at Porivarai cave in Nilgiris. State true or false? Anthropology is the study of coins. Whether it is true or false, ma? False. Okay. Homo erectus had the knowledge of fire. True. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. True. Goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. False. Okay. Answer in one word. 5 questions will be there. Just you study this. Okay. Answer the following also. What is evaluation? Everyone know what is evaluation? Why were axes made? Study this question answer. Okay, ma? Then history second lesson. History second lesson, ma? What metals were known to the people of Indus civilization? Copper, bronze, silver, gold, but not iron. Indus civilization belonged to Metal Age. River valleys are said to be the cradle of civilization because many civilizations flourished on river valleys. Okay? Then match the statement with the reason, tick the appropriate answer also, just you study, okay? Then circle the odd one. Oxen, sheep, buffaloes, pigs, horses. Which one is odd, ma? Horses. Okay, oxen, sheep, buffaloes, pigs, horses. Okay. Then find out the wrong pair. Harappan civilization, river Kaveri. Okay, it is the wrong pair. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. Mesopotamian civilization is the oldest civilization. Dash civilization. Dash is the oldest civilization, ma? Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, dash is the oldest civilization. Mesopotamian civilization. Archaeological Survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham. Okay, Archaeological Survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham. Then dash were used to store grains, granaries. Dash were used to store grains, granaries. Okay, ma? Group of people form community. Group of people form community. Okay, study this fill up also. Then true or false? Mehrgarh is a Neolithic site. Whether it is true or false? True. Okay, Mehrgarh is a Neolithic site. True. Okay, ma? Archaeological Survey of India is responsible for preservation of cultural monuments in the country. True. Granaries were used to store grains. True. The earliest form of writing was developed by Chinese. False. Okay. So, Mehrgarh is a Neolithic site. True. Archaeological Survey of India is responsible for preservation of cultural monuments in the country. True. Granaries were used to store grains. True. The earliest form of writing was developed by Chinese. False. Okay. Then match the following. Mohenjo-daro, mound of dead. Bronze, alloy. Citadel, raised platform. Okay. Carnelian, red quartz stone. Okay. Red quartz stone. Okay. Then answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Study. Okay. What are the uses of metal? Everyone know the answer? Study this 10 questions. Okay, ma? Then geography lesson. Geography lesson to land and ocean. Okay, geography lesson to land and ocean. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? Arctic Ocean. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? The Arctic Ocean. The Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Ocean. The Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Okay, ma? Which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following oceans is the busiest ocean? Atlantic Ocean. The frozen continent is Antarctica. The frozen continent is Antarctica. Then a narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies, an isthmus. Okay, a narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies, an isthmus. Okay, fill in the blanks. The world's largest continent is Asia. The world's largest continent is Asia. Dash is the mineral-rich plateau in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, Dash is the mineral-rich plateau in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Deltas are dash order landform, third order landform. Deltas are dash order landform, third order landform. The island continent is Australia. The island continent is Australia. Everyone know this filler? Students, study, okay? Study this filler. Choose the correct answer. True or false also. Circle the odd one out. Okay, circle the odd one out. Africa, Europe, Australia, Sri Lanka. Which one is the odd ma? Sri Lanka. Okay. Then Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea. Plateau, valley, plains, mountain. Valley. Okay. Plateau, valley, plains, mountain ma, valley. The Bay of Bengal, the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Tasman Sea. The Bay of Bengal. The Andes, the Rockies, the Everest, the Himalayas. The Everest. Okay. So circle the odd one. Africa, Europe, Australia, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. You have to circle, isn't it? Then second one, the Mediterranean Sea. Third one, valley. Fourth one, the Bay of Bengal. Fifth one, the Everest. Okay, ma? Then match the following. The South Sandwich Trench. The Southern Ocean. The Milwaukee Trench ma. The Atlantic Ocean. The Mariana Trench. The Pacific Ocean. The Eurasian Basin. The Arctic Ocean. The Java Trench. The Indian Ocean. Okay, study the match the following also. Then answer in a word. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Okay, which is the highest plateau in the world ma? Tibetan Plateau. Everyone know the answer, isn't it? Then name a second order landform. Name a second order landform. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay. Name a second order landform. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay. Then which ocean is named after a country? Indian Ocean. Which ocean is named after a country? Indian Ocean. Name the islands located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands. Okay. Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands. Okay. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as? Trench. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as? Trench. Okay. So everyone know this one word ma? Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Name a second order landform. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay. Which ocean is named after a country? Indian Ocean. Name the islands located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as trench? Okay. Will you study? Will you study this one word, ma? Answer in brief. What is a continent? Everyone know the answer. What is a continent? What is a continent? Everyone know the answer? Learn this question. Okay. Then what are oceans? What are oceans? Large water bodies, isn't it? So everyone study this question answer also. Okay, ma? Okay, will you study? Everyone should study. Okay. Then true or false also learn it. Okay. Here consider the following statement is there, isn't it, pa? In this lesson, consider the following statement. Plains are formed by rivers. The South Sandwich Trench is found in the Indian Ocean. Plateaus have steep slopes. Choose the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 and 3 is correct. Okay, 1 and 3. Plateau has steep slopes. Plains are formed by rivers. Okay, this 2 is the correct answer. Then second, which of the following statement is or true? Okay, so statement 1, mountains are second order landform. Statement 2, the Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. Both the statement are true. Okay, statements are true. Both that two statement is correct. Okay, true only. Okay, ma? Okay, then which is the highest plateau in the world? Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Name a second order landform. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay. Which ocean is named after a country? Indian Ocean. Name the islands located in the Arabian Sea, ma? Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as? Trench. Okay. Will you study this one word? Then circle the odd one out. Africa, Europe, Australia, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. I had to circle Sri Lanka. The Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Plateaus, valley, plain, mountain, valley. The Bay of Bengal, the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Tasman Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Then the Andes, the Rockies, the Everest, the Himalayas, the Everest. Okay, you have to circle the Everest. Then a narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies and isthmus. Okay, the frozen continent is Antarctica. Which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on Earth? The Arctic Ocean. Okay, then the Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Oceans. The Pacific and Indian Ocean. Will you study this one words, ma? Everyone learn the one words, okay? Then study the question answer also, okay? Will you study? Then history lesson, once again, I am repeating this, okay? Study this, what ma? Fill up, choose the correct answer, true or false, match the following, okay? Answer in one word, answer the following question also, everyone should study, okay? Group of people form dash. Everyone know the answer? Community. Group of people form community. Okay. Dash is the oldest civilization, ma? Mesopotamian civilization. Archaeological Survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham. Okay. Then group of people form community. Okay. Group of people form community. Then the granaries were used to store grains. True. Okay. Granaries were used to store grains. True. Okay. Then Mehrgarh is a Neolithic site. True. Okay. Then study the match the following. Answer the following question also. Okay, students. Will you study? Will you study, students? Everyone will get a good mark. Okay. Will you get good marks, students? I believe in you. Okay. Study. Get a good mark. Okay. Carefully you should write the exam. Okay. Write your name, class and section, write the subject also, okay? Then Roman letter is very important. Everyone know to write the test, isn't it? So be careful to write the test, get a good mark, okay? So in social science, 3 lessons only. So it is easy to learn, isn't it? Already you learned, isn't it, pa? So while writing the exam, carefully you read the question and write the answer. Okay, then check the spelling also. Okay, ma? Okay, students. Best of luck, students. Thank you.